Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the fourth class of MS Publisher for Beginners. In this class, we'll try to learn about bookmark, header and footer, and page number in MS Publisher. So without any further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to the world of Microsoft. So we have got bookmark option over there. What we have to do is to type something there before we move and utilize this option. Let me elaborate that before I move and use this option. Well, the thing is that if you want to use bookmark option, that is completely related or used for searching out the data. For example, if I have many sort of subjects and that has many sort of data I want to type, or if I want to search out the data I need, I can be using bookmark option. Let me explain that furthermore by typing something. Let's try to type one. This is sort of word which may mean here subject name, or which may means, let's suppose this is sort of subject name. And what I have to do, I have to hold the control button and press V button in order to paste the formula that I have already copied from Microsoft Word. And let me type the second word, like for example 2. Let's try to consider 1 and let's try to consider 2 as subject name. So if I don't have any sort of subject name there, I have to be typing 1, 2, or maybe 3, or maybe any sort of word that I can make you understand through these words. Hit enter, try to hold the control button and press V button in order to paste the formula. This is the arranged formula which I have already copied from Microsoft Word, which you can open the Microsoft Word from here and type arranged formula there. Let me type 3 there, hold the control or the command button and press V button in order to paste the formula there. Well, let me insert page there, hit OK. I have got the second page there. Let me type 4. Let's consider that this is sort of subject name. Hold the control or the command button, press V button. Well, this can be working at that time when you have already copied the formula or you have already copied the text or the paragraph. Let me type 5. Try to be considering that as subject name. Hold the control or the command button, press V button. So I have got maybe 5 of the names, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So consider these. I'm repeating time and again in order to make you understand that these are, just consider these as subject names. So let's try to go for the first page. Make sure to select one word, bookmark. Over here, type whatever you have selected or type whatever that is selected. Like I have selected 1, so let's try to type 1. Add that. Make sure to go for 2 word, bookmark, and type there 2. Add that. Make sure to go for 3 word, bookmark. Try to type 3 word, add that. Make sure to go for next page, and over there we have got 4 word. Select that, type 4, add that. Make sure to select 5 word and type there 5. Add that, close that. Now we have already got 5 of the names. You can also go for maybe 20 of the names, or maybe 30 of the names, or even 100 of the names. This is something which I have already told you that this is used to search out the data or to search out any sort of subject name. So make sure to go for bookmark, and over there we have got 5 of the names which we have already edited that. So let's suppose I need 2. Click on that, go to. Now you must be observing that it has made me go to 2 word. Go for bookmark. In case I need this time 1 or maybe 5 or maybe 5, go to. See, this has made me reach to the second page. So that is what the things are working like. Let's try to remain on the place I have. Make sure to go and use header option that is present there. Make sure to click on that and over there type whatever you want to type as header, like for example starting, close, master page. And now you must be observing that we have got header on the first page. Let's try to observe that whether or not we have the same header on the second page. This is what exactly is present on the second page also. And make sure to go for insert and make sure to click on footer. Footer is something that must be coming at the end of the page, like for example let me type ending, close master page. Now you must be observing that this is coming in both of the pages. Let's suppose I want to insert the third page. Let's try to see that whether or not we have starting and ending, means header and footer. So these are the ways that the things are working like. Make sure to go for insert, and then we have got page number, top center. We have got page number like this is first page, second page and third page. Let's try to use furthermore, top left. It will be coming to top left and it will be coming to top right. Bottom left, let's try to see the bottom left. See, that's coming in the end of the page. And then we have got bottom center, which is coming in the center of that, and bottom right. You must be observing that the things are working something like that. We have got another option inside that format page numbers. Well, you must be observing that the time when we brought the page number, that was starting from the 1, means from number 1. So but if you want to start your page particularly from any sort of certain number, you must be going for start this section with, type there maybe 50. I want to start my page from 50. Hit OK. You must be observing that we have got 50 there, 51 and 52. So that is how the things are working like. Insert in current text box. You can bring sort of page number inside text box, like make sure to click there, go for this, insert in current text box. Now you must be observing that we have got 50 there. That means that this is the number of this page. And similarly, if you can go for the second page, we have got 51 and then 52. I hope you have enjoyed this small sort of class in which I have taught you some sort of beautiful and important options. I hope you have enjoyed the class. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.